Alright guys, we've come across a skinwalker. Oh! Dog, what do you think about this place?
Good, lots of cars. My favorite shop I've been to.
Any words? Alright, so we got an assortment of cars here. Wild assortment of cars. We have a Urus 570S. Wait, let me see. Just like puppy. 570S. Give me that. Yeah, Performante, Artura, Vantage.
Just say you want to be filmed, bro.
Urus, Huracan. It actually has twin turbos too. What's wrong with this mic? It smells bad. Alright guys, this is Illustrious Auto Boutique. Now we're going to show you some of the cars they have around here. Follow me this way. We have a Huracan Performante. If you look that way, we have a McLaren Artura. If you look behind you, you'll see an Aston Martin Vantage. And if you look over there, it's an A12. That one's kind of bummed, but we'll go over there. Walk with me now. So we got an SF90 and a nice blue. It looks pretty good. And there's a 765 LT, my personal favorite.
And rolling.
Everybody go buy my course. This is how I afforded this car, bro. I also, that Urus over there, those cars back there, the 812, the two matching matte black ones, mine. That Aston Martin too. Just sell courses, guys.
Yeah. It's going straight to the reels, right?
Not bad. Pretty nice. Pretty nice space.
All right. Layton?
Yeah, the shop's pretty awesome, you know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of cars here, and there's like a lot of people, and it's pretty cool.
Yeah, people popped out, I guess, is what he's trying to say. And we out here at Illustrious Auto Boutique. If you ever need ceramic coating, all the needs will be met here. Let's get a shot of this place.
Spying on him, taking videos. Alright, so this A12 has many features. As we see, these carbon ceramic brakes, very good. We also have carbon fiber all inside with these nice bucket seats. And as we go outside, we hear a revving engine. Let's go. Whoa. Damn, it's bright.
Oh wait, let's go.
The only sound you should fear, man. These kids wear crowns over here and everything is alright.